I'm making vanilla sponge cake today. This delicious cake is not only easy but also very tasty, and it is perfect to make for tea time. To prepare this delicious cake, we need cake flour 140 grams, sugar 120 grams, baking powder 1 teaspoon, some milk, oil 60 grams, and 2 eggs. Now sieve all dry ingredients at least 2 times so that they mix properly. I am doing it one more time. Now I am adding a little kosher salt. Take a bowl and separate the egg whites and yellow. I will beat both separately. Taking the egg white and beating them with electric beater. You can do this step by hand beater also. Beat it until it becomes fluffy and frothy, even if it takes some time. It's a time taking process, so you'll have to be little patient. If you want to be a perfect, if you want to make a perfect sponge. Now add sugar little by little and beat till it becomes light and creamy in texture. I am adding a little sugar in between my beating. See, it's looking so beautiful. The texture is so beautiful. See the texture. It is so beautiful, creamy and frothy. Perfect texture. Okay, now we'll start with the other ingredients. This is cake flour. I'm dividing it into 4. And basically now I'm start adding oil, cake flour, egg yolk and milk alternatively with my hand beater. Repeat the process now. Adding all the material alternatively, and now we can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat, and now beat lightly. Just a light beat. I'm continuing with my all the mixture leftover mixture. Now you can add some lemon zest to break the sweetness, and it gives excellent texture and taste. Don't add too much because it's a little bitter too. Now see the consistency. It already looking tempting. A creamy texture. Oh wow. It's time to shift the delicious creamy mixture to my already prepared cake pan. Pour the mixture into this pan. Completely. Okay, it's taking some time. And now tap 3-4 times to remove all bubbles. Now it's time to bake. I'm baking it on 180 degrees Celsius on bake mode for 25 minutes. Just check it if it is baked properly by inserting a knife and see that the knife comes out neat and clean. It means that it is baked properly. Now see how it's coming out. Let's cut out a piece of cake and see how fluffy and soft it is. Oh wow, it turned out really good. I am satisfied by the texture and taste alike. See, it's so spongy. Oh my god, I cannot hold it. Just check the texture, so soft and spongy. Enjoy the cake with tea, and thank you for watching.